Welcome to Night Owl Woodturning. Today's turning is a piece of hard maple. My plans are to make this into a box, but sometimes plans change, so we'll see what's going to happen. First, this has been sanded all the way up to 400. I'm going to put a little bit of shellac on it to seal. Finishing process. Taken the maple box off of the worm screw, turn it around, put it inside some jaws, and I'm about to hollow it out with a Forstner bit. Been sanded up to 400. The inside is nice and smooth. I just need to cut a recess for the lid to fit in the top. So just a little bit more sanding, take off these sharp edges and finish those areas I just cut, and then I'll shellac. So I'll let that cure up. I'll let that finish cure, and then a little bit of a light sanding and a bit of polishing. But while it's curing, I'm going to fit a top. See you soon. I have a piece of Claro walnut burl here. It should make a fairly attractive top for the box. Ought to figure. Definitely the trickiest part of this lid has been the burl factor. It's very, very rough. So not bad, not bad. Okay, so this has only been sanded up to 180 grit. Again, it's that burl aspect. So I'm going to put some of the shellac on it to help set the grain, fill some of those gaps perhaps. Once the maple box has been finished on both sides, inside and outside, I'm just now going to finish the bottom. So it's been waxed, buffed. So the lid, the box, still fixed inside the jam chuck. Try to pull it out my favorite way. There's a little bit of compressed air. So hard maple, Claro walnut, lid. I think it makes a really nice looking box. If you think so, please go ahead, click that like button. And while you're there, if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. This has been Night Owl Woodturning. Thank you for watching.